Hello, David here, and the project for today is reviewing a cordless leaf blower, battery operated, and I'm not sure if the name of the company is Cordless or they're just letting you know that it's cordless. It does have an email contact at lazyboitools.com, so I don't know, maybe that's the name of the company. Model number is LA808. And if you follow my channel, you know that I have a steel gasoline blower vac that I love. It's very powerful. I use it a lot. I didn't buy this. My partner bought this because she can't start the gas leaf blower and she needs something lightweight that she can handle. So this will be easy for her to operate. So what you get in the box is the leaf blower. You get 2 batteries and a battery charger. Each battery is a 21 volt, 2000 milliamp battery. Let's charge it. So I just plugged it in and that green light went on. Let's see, I already charged one of these batteries. This must be the one that I charged. Also notice when the battery is fully charged, you have 3 lights on the side. Oh, they just turned off. 3 green lights. Let's try this battery. Okay, you can see the red light. When this is charged, the red light will go off and the green light will turn on. So this blower has a 2-speed motor. The low speed is 15,000 RPM. The high speed mode is 18,000 RPM with a rated maximum speed of 150 miles per hour or 120 cubic feet per minute. Supposedly at low speed it will run for 15 minutes. High speed it will run for 10 minutes. I'm going to test that. I never run these on low speed because I always need all the power I can get. I suppose if you're a barber and you want to blow some hair off the shoulders of a customer, you want to use a low speed, but yeah, I don't do that. This weighs 4.14 pounds. Set this off to the side. Let's put in a fully charged battery. Okay, what I'm going to do is set it on high, get my stopwatch going. 10 minutes and it's still running, not as strong as it was initially. Okay, it just crapped out at 10 minutes and 45 seconds. When I push the button on the battery, I get 1 green light. And the charger's still charging, so I know it takes more than, I think it started charging a couple of minutes before I started the test, so I know it's going to take more than 50. Here's how the pieces go together. And it takes quite a bit of thumb pressure to release it. I had trouble pushing down on that. You know, I guess it gets easier the more times you do it. I think the plastic must be weakening. Overall length, about 35¼ inches. And the nozzle from the motor head to the tip is about 21 inches. On the state of the battery charge, push this black button in the back. The company literature states it takes about 1 hour to charge a battery. There is no country of origin listed on the unit or the box or the literature. Time that I ran the battery from full charge to exhausted is at room temperature inside the house, which is about 67, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So this was purchased through Amazon. They're not a sponsor. And it does have a 12-month limited warranty. Hey, we got a full charge. Let's try it out outside. Good thing about these electric blowers is that you can use them inside, and they're not as noisy as a gas blower. Alright, it's going to get light stuff that's dry. Anything that's wet and impacted in the sidewalk or the concrete for a while just isn't going to get blown away. So I don't recommend this for heavy duty, but for light duty, if you can't lift heavy things and need something light to tow it around, I think this is going to be okay. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.